This is the best way to use Caro White cream on your skin without any reaction. No dark knuckles, no stretch marks, no sunburn. Let's go. We're going to be using Caro White to make a very simple body scrub that you can use, and trust me, you will have no problems with this scrub whatsoever. No dark knuckles, no sunburn, no reactions at all. Of course, to make this Caro White body scrub, we're going to be needing Caro White cream. Make sure you get the original Caro White cream. Do not get the fake, because that can actually destroy your skin. So we're going to be using this to make the scrub. I have measured out the quantity of Caro White cream we'll be using for this recipe. I'm going to leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end so that you can have the full recipe. The first ingredient we'll be adding into our Caro White is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a great oil for anti-aging. It also helps in moisturizing the skin. You can also choose to use any other carrier oil of your choice. So right now I'm going to be adding the jojoba oil into our Caro White cream. I'll also leave the measurements of the jojoba oil at the end of the video. So you're going to add it into the Caro White cream, and then I will be showing you the next ingredients we'll be adding to this. Next, we have turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is also a great carrier oil. It is great for brightening. It can help to revive dull skin. It can help with hyperpigmentation and general skin brightening. I'll also be adding the turmeric oil into the cream as well. Some other oils you can add into this are your lemon oil, your papaya oil, your carrot oil. All these oils are great and you can add them into the cream. This recipe is going to be very simple and budget friendly, so those are the only two oils I'll be adding into this. So the next step is to give this a very good mix so that everything is well combined. This is going to be the base for our emulsified scrub, so we have to mix it very well before adding in other ingredients. When you start mixing at first, it will look like everything is not coming together. The cream is going to look like crumbs, but as you keep mixing, it's going to come together and look as creamy as it was before. So just keep mixing. As you can see, I started using a spoon because the spatula was not mixing it properly, and now as I am using the spoon, as you can see, it is coming up together really well. And yes, as you can see, we now have our very creamy base. So we are going to be adding our exfoliant into this to have our scrub. Instead of adding in sugar to make the scrub, I'm going to be using something else, and this is coconut flour. If we were making a sugar scrub, I would have added in white sugar or brown sugar or salt, but we are not going to be using any of that. I am using coconut flour. You can make this at home. After blending your coconut and squeezing out the coconut milk, dry the chaff and blend it, and then you have your coconut flour. I'll also be adding the coconut flour into the Caro White base cream. I'm going to leave all the measurements at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you hit that like button, comment and ask your questions, and also subscribe for more amazing recipes like this one. So here is what it looks like. It's time to mix it all up together. Make sure you mix very well. We need everything incorporated so that we can have our beautiful body scrub. So I'm going to give this a very good mix, and then we'll have our scrub almost ready. So here is what it looks like after mixing very well. The scrub is creamy and it's also very exfoliating. Right now I'm going to be adding in my vitamin E oil. This will keep our products from oxidating. After adding in the vitamin E oil, I'm also going to give this a very good mix as well, so that the vitamin E oil is well incorporated into the scrub. As you can see, the scrub even looks amazing already. Now I'm going to pack our Caro White scrub into the jar so that we can save it for use. And right now it is demonstration time. Let me show you how to use the scrub. Start by wetting your skin, whatever part of your skin that you want to apply the scrub to. Then apply the scrub and scrub your skin. This scrub is very gentle. It's not harsh like a sugar scrub or salt scrub. Gently exfoliate your skin very well. The coconut flour we added is the exfoliant here, so that's what will help you scrub your skin and remove the dead skin cells. Now once you're done scrubbing your skin, it will look like this. Now it's time to rinse out the scrub. Once you rinse out the scrub, your skin is going to feel really soft and supple. And the good thing is, since we use Caro White as the base for this scrub, the Caro White is going to leave your skin moisturized and it will still do its brightening work. It's still going to brighten and lighten your skin. And here is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot and make sure that you make yours. Also make sure that you use the accurate measurements listed here. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope and know that you found this video helpful. Please make sure you like this video, drop a comment, ask your questions, and I'll definitely answer them. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on more amazing recipes like this one. Bye and see you in my next video.